What's the most popular meat when it comes to backyard barbecue? Besides a hot dog. That's right, a burger. And burgers can be very simple, or some people make them very elaborate and add a bunch of stuff and turn them into like meatloaf ball burger things. And I'm just not a big fan of that. I'm a fan of keeping burgers very simple. And there's a special burger out there that allows us to keep things incredibly simple while having flavor like you would not imagine. In this episode, I'm going to show you what it is and how to do it. Guys, it's really awesome that you stopped by the backyard and spent some time with me today. I really appreciate your time, and hopefully I'm going to give you something for your time, and that is an incredible burger, a simple burger. A burger should be something that you can just throw on the grill and half pay attention to it, and it comes out juicy and delicious. Well, the smash burger is that burger. When you take hamburger and you mix a bunch of stuff with it and you know, create these meatloaf balls and things and put it, you really need to pay attention to what you're doing. Otherwise, flavors can get out of hand and they don't cook evenly. They shrink up into crazy shapes. A smash burger doesn't have that problem. A smash burger is so delicious for a couple of reasons. What's that? Good question. You know, the question is, well, Mike, I've always been told don't smash your burgers because you're going to smash all the juice out of the burger. That's a very good point, especially for those meatloaf burgers. However, the process of a smash burger is a very specific way of cooking the burger, and we're smashing it up front and not smashing it during the cook. So we're going to smash it down. We're going to get a beautiful sear on the burger on each side of this patty that's going to seal in the juices, and that's the ticket. When you smash a burger halfway through the cook, that's when you're smashing all the juices out. You don't quite have the best sear. You're cooking on medium-high heat. Today we're going to be cooking on high heat, and we're going to be cooking on the Blackstone Griddle. It's going to be an awesome burger that you can use for the rest of your life. It's quick, it's simple, it's amazingly delicious, and as Gordon Ramsay would say, no color, no flavor, and he's referring to the sear on the meat. And that's what we're going to make sure we have a lot of, is a great sear on these burgers to seal in those juices and get us some awesome smash burgers. Let's go ahead and get the Blackstone fired up. We're going to go on medium-high heat right now. So the trick to great burgers is making sure you have everything ready to go. And that was the first thing I did, was I created just this little homemade sauce. And it's very simple. 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mayo, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of barbecue sauce, and a couple splashes of Worcestershire sauce. Put it in a little blendy cup or whatever you have, and out comes this magical sauce for burgers. I mean, it's absolutely insane. You're gonna love this sauce, and it's gonna make it so easy to put on. You don't have to put them all on individually. It's just one perfect backyard sauce. Now, there is one thing that I agree we have to put on burgers, but I don't mix it in with the burgers, and that's some fried onions. We gotta have fried onions with our burgers. I'm not gonna put them in the burger meat. I'm just gonna cook them and put them on top of the burger underneath the cheese. When you're doing burgers, you gotta go with a sweet white onion. We're just gonna caramelize these up a little bit until they get translucent, and then we'll put them off to the side. They're nice and done. Let's move them off to the side. Okay, so here's our burgers, and they're just the size of little golf balls, and that's all we want. I did not smash them together. All I did was lightly just kind of shape them into balls. You could weigh them out if you want to, but just keep you need at least the 80-20 mix of ground beef. This is some grass-fed Angus, with golf ball size shaped balls here, and they're gonna be very lightly packed. And here comes the secret to getting incredible smash burgers. Are you ready? Go a little oil. Don't need much. Now, if you've never done smash burgers before, you're only gonna wanna do maybe 1 or 2 at a time. Smash them down nice and good. Hold it there. Get that nice sear. Little Cosmos Q cow cover. .45-degree angle. And then the hood helps melt the cheese. You can make these bigger if you want them bigger. I just like to stack them up. So if you do 2 of them, you get twice the surface area, twice the, the cheese, and it's just a much better burger. And what we're doing there is we're just locking that sear in. That's the trick to making sure you don't lose the juice. Lock that sear in. Little cow cover. I'm only seasoning one side. I just don't think it's quite necessary with patties this small to do both sides. Plus timing is crucial here. You're moving very quickly. Get a little toast on the bun. I tell you though, the thing about a smash burger is it happens so fast. You got to be ready, and it's a little tricky to do when you're filming it all, but I got it done. These are the smash burgers with this backyard sauce that's so simple, so easy. Your family, your friends, they're going to love it. Let me see how this one turned out. Oh my gosh. Man. A little crunch to the bread. A crowd pleaser. The backyard smash burger, guys. Make sure you try it out. So the really important things about a great smash burger is you have to smash it right when you first put it on the grill. Smash it down as far as you can get it and let that sear happen. That sear seals in the juices. That's how you get a perfect smash burger. Make sure you have everything ready to go. If you're gonna go with some lettuce and tomato and all that, make sure it's all cut up, ready to go. That way, when the burgers are done, you can assemble it and get it out to whoever's eating it. The burgers cook fast, really fast, so you have to be ready. But that's the beautiful part about a smash burger. It's fast. You don't have this inch, thick burger, which are great. They have their place, but it just takes so long, and half the time they're getting burnt because you're having to leave them on the grill so long. Smash burgers are just simple, easy, lots of surface area, lots of sear, lots of cheese, and just beautiful, beautiful burger in its basic form. I will tell you, you really need to use some sort of griddle. You know, this doesn't work real well on grill grates. So if you don't have a griddle, then you can buy little griddle plates that go on top of the grill. They're not that expensive. That way you get a nice solid surface area, because you really need that. I would put them in the pan, you know, on the stove before I would put them on a grill with grates. You got to have that solid surface to really get that sear. That's the whole point. You smash when you first put them on, and that's it. You don't smash them anymore. You're not pushing on them to get all the juice out. You're still following that age-old rule where you don't smash burgers during the cook, because you're going to squish all the juices out. That is a very, very true point. But if you smash them up front, you're sealing the juices in. I really appreciate you guys sticking around for the whole video. It means a lot to me. Your support really means a lot to me. If you want to help Delmarva Backyard out, support us by liking the video, sharing it with your family, your friends, on your Facebook feed, all your other social media feeds. And also, if you're not a Patreon subscriber to Delmarva Backyard, go over to Patreon and subscribe to Delmarva Backyard. Your support will get you behind the scenes, written recipes, and all kinds of stuff. Go check that out. More information is in the description below. You guys have an awesome week, and I can't wait to see you on the next video.